Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2024 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited in bright white. With black appearance package, gloss black exterior accents, 20-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and cross path detection, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 7,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen, navigation, select terrain system, heated second row seating, panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number P90689.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.